On today's episode of... Hey everybody, so I found these two fishies, Mary and Myrna. These two bitches who are playing on this old lady's emotions, cause I swear, I think I going blind, I would lose them so many times. Look them, look them. Cause where they went? Oh, there they stay. See, look, I lost them again, shit. Oh, there them. Don't forget Russell, baby. Then my poor daughter got stung by one Portuguese man of war. No worry, I took care of my baby girl and put spit, rubbed that shit right out. But I had to put this guy on blast. That guy, the guy who did it. No mess with them, no pitaran, cause they will sting you and they got some reach, honey. And there is Mr. Crab peacefully eating his limo off the rock while I invade his privacy, personal space, bubble, whatever. But it was so mesmerizing, I telling to you. Look, so cute. And then let's go check out Sheila. I think she was trying to fight the waves, cause watch that front part of them. This is one sea cucumber, look. That's not the waves pushing her head or whatever it is up. She doing that all by herself. Look, so strong, yeah. What you gonna do? It was a fun day. Just chilling at the beach, besides the Portuguese man of war, but anyway, bye.